My goal is to prove to you that this vegan white bean chicken chili deserves a spot in your regular dinner rotation. Why? Because it's just comfort food at its very best. This is a one pot dish that comes together in minutes and it's just so cozy and delicious. I think you're going to love it. I am so excited to show you how to make it, so let's get started. I have a tablespoon of olive oil that's nice and heated, and to that I'm going to add 1 cup of onions. These have been chopped. And we're going to let that cook for a couple of minutes until those onions get tender. Once the onions are a little bit tender, now we're going to add a couple of cloves of garlic that have been chopped up pretty finely. I'm always careful to add those in last, and I only let them cook for about a minute. No one likes the flavor of burnt garlic. To that, I am going to add a package of plant-based chicken. I really love this stuff. It's got a nice flavor. It also has really good texture, so it cooks up nice and firm. Now I'll use a spatula to kind of break that into pieces. To this, we're going to add a 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies. Make sure you get the flavor that works best for your family, because they have this in mild and hot, and I always try to get the mild because people can always add more hot if they want it that way. So mild chili peppers are great. I'm sorry, mild green chilies are great. And then to that, I'm going to add, this is 2 teaspoons of chili powder. This is going to give it that nice chili flavor without overpowering. I'm going to stir that in. Oh my gosh, this looks so good already. Look at that. Okay, now comes the fun. We're going to add, this is 2 cans of white kidney beans, and what I've done is I've rinsed and drained them. So I've got 1 can of corn, and I have 1 cup of vegetable broth. That's really nice. Okay, this is going to sit for like 15 minutes. I'm going to bring the heat up just a little bit so that it comes to a simmer. And we have one last ingredient we're going to add just to make this extra creamy. Now it's time for my favorite ingredient. We're going to add some vegan cream cheese and stir that in as the final ingredient because it makes this chili so nice and creamy. I just love adding it, and it just makes this dish complete. Anytime I'm serving chili, I'm always thinking about my favorite toppings. And for me, that involves a little bit of sour cream. I'm going to use some plain vegan yogurt for that. I love things spicy, so I love adding some jalapenos. And of course, any chili, any dish is pretty much better with a little bit of parsley. Now it's time for my favorite part of any time I'm cooking in the kitchen, and that is the taste test. This smells so good, I can't wait to give it a try. Mmm. Mm. That is just the perfect bite. I love the chicken. That plant-based chicken is so amazing. The beans, the flavor, the corn, there's like pops of texture with the corn. This is perfect. Every bite is delicious. I love this. I can't wait for you to make it. And if you do make it, I would love to hear from you. What are your favorite toppings? Are you going to add some sour cream? Are you going to go for the spicy jalapenos? I would love to hear from you. Let me know, because I'm always learning. And then sometimes you guys give some really good tips. So I can't wait to try your suggestion. So if you love today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes coming your way every week.